Alright, so welcome back to White House Farm. What we're working on today is the good old Craftsman 17-inch tiller here. So, carb, before I stored it, ran it, drained it. Carb's good. I actually fired this thing up and that's when I noticed it had a bunch of stuff going on with it. I'm going to go ahead and check the air filter. I got a new one just in case, and an outer. Got a new spark plug for it. We got new throttle and choke because look, not even connected anymore. It snapped off there. And then come down here and this is just totally shot. Doesn't even engage anymore for the tines. So we're gonna go ahead and replace that too. And I think one of the tires is low too. Maybe the other one. Yeah, that one, so we'll have to check that. But we're just going to go through the whole thing and do its tune-up, maintenance, and get it ready for this summer. So, alright, let's get to it. Alright, so this controls how fast the machine goes and also stopping. So, definitely need to replace this. So let's remove these two bolts here. Alright. And this should be able to just turn right out of here. Yep, just like that. And you can see it connects in down here. And comes right out. This thing looks like it's all like it got banged on, so let's go ahead and fix that. There we go. That's a little better. Looks like it just got like something hit down on it and bent it, but we're able to bend it back. Alright. So got the old cable off here. And here is our new one, along with all of our other parts. Got spark plugs, air filters, we even got a belt just in case. Yeah. Shear bolts, we'll have to check them, make sure that they're both still on when we get it running. But as simple as that was to take off, it's as simple to put back on. Untwist this. There we go. Now we're going to feed this up through here just like the other one. And then we can put our two bolts in. And we'll tighten them up. All right, so we got the new one on there. Now we'll come back down here, run this through. And this should slip right in there. Bring it back. So this next one here, this actually controls the movement. And you can see up here, this is the line that it goes to, and it's not engaging. So we're gonna have to take that, looks like a flat head down there, bolt out and then disconnect it from down in here. So I have to remember that it's on the third hole down. And this is our new one right here. And it's interesting because it connects up here. So hopefully that slips around this whole thing and we're able to put it on. I think this pops off, so we'll find out. Alright, let's get a flathead and get that bolt out right there. Alright, so there we go, and that holds the wire down there. So now we can disconnect it from the hole down here. Yeah, getting a little rusty, breaking apart. Alright, now for the interesting part. Let's figure this out. I want to say that this handle pops out. Yep. Don't lose your grommets there. And hopefully this just slides around this whole thing. Yep. Alright, cool. That's what I was hoping. That would have been fun trying to figure that out if that wasn't the way it went in. So, oh, we got one more bolt holding it in here. So let's go ahead and remove that, and then we can pull that whole piece out. Alright, there we go. So it should pull through here. Yeah, there we go. So, got that one off. Let's see if we can thread the new one back up through there. That seemed pretty tight going from the bottom. I'll show you here. It's got to go through there and then out through there, so might have to use a pick to latch onto it up there and pull it out. Oh, there's a little push clip there. So we'll pop that out. That should definitely make it a little bit easier. There we go. All right. So we got it. Now we can put this back in. Just like that. And let's go ahead and put this on. This one's definitely tighter. There we go. So now we can put our handle back in. Alright, so we're going to run it back down and we're going to connect it down into that plate down there on the third hole down. So we got it now on the third hole down there. So now we can go ahead and put our brackets back on. Alright, so pretty much the same thing. Get it down towards the end where this casing is here. The steel casing is, get it towards the end. And then you should have good tension when you pull this. And you should be able to see it move. Yep. Alrighty. Alright, next thing. Let's go ahead and take a look at the air filter on here. A little bit of crud at the bottom, but looks pretty decent. Yeah. We didn't do that too long ago either. So, alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the spark plug. At least you know that's where your air filter is. It's just 2 bolts. Let's go ahead and pop this sucker here. Oh, looks like we did get a little mouse nest in there. So, before we pull that spark plug, let's go ahead and see what we can get out of there and vacuum it and then blow it out with some air. Because you don't want stuff falling down into your engine. Oh, yeah. Yeah, there's a bunch of stuff in there. I'm going to grab the vacuum. Alright, so that spark plug actually looks pretty decent. It's a little rusty on top, but... So, we got a brand new replacement one here. And there's the part number for it. Briggs & Stratton. We'll go ahead and pop that one in. Alright, so it is important that you do clean that out if you got stuff up there, if you get mice and stuff like that, like we do in the country here, because that can overheat your engine. They'll pack so much crap in there that it just gets too hot and you can, it'll cause other problems. But yeah, you want to clear that out good. Also, before taking the spark plug out, like I did, you want to blow it out, vacuum it out, whatever you can, because you don't want that junk falling down into the engine. But new spark plug on there, it's all cleaned out. So next thing we're going to do is see if this thing fires up. Alright, so you have run and you have choke. So we'll keep it on choke right now. And actually, let me check the gas. Yeah, there's enough in there for right now. Let's go ahead and pull this and see if she fires up. Stuff blowing out of it. There's still some junk hidden in there. So now, actually, we'll lift this up and let's see if our tines work with the new cable. So, should be able to start this right up. Let's engage it. Oh, gotta put it in gear. Oh yeah. Alright, so she's ready to rock. Yep, that works. Looks like the safety pins, or looks like the shear bolt pins are good too, because both tines were moving. So I got an extra pair over here. And I got extra belt just in case. Got to replace the belt on here at some point. But yeah. Oh, this is pretty rusty. Muffler top there. Let's give that a quick sanding and a quick paint. There we go. Alright, let's go ahead and start her up and start getting all these weeds tilled up here. And I'll have the kids pick them out once they're all dried out. Get our volleyball court back here. Alright, let's start her up. Alright, so we're all set here. So once again, we guys hope you like, enjoy, subscribe, and as usual, we'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.
You can't say goodbye without saying goodbye to me.
Alright, Olaf. We'll see you on the next one. Alright, bye, Obo.
Hi, guys.